like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
I am not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk. God bless you all, my dear crypto friends. Welcome to another video. In this one I will show you a simple and legit Litecoin faucet with payments to FaucetPay. As always, I will leave a link in the description below, so feel free to join. So guys, this is how the faucet looks like. Clickers.cc, get easy LTC. So here we can see the Litecoin balance. You have 3 daily claims, 3 claims per day, and you will get 1,877 satoshis per claim. So guys, the first thing that we need to do is complete one shortlink. Before we do that, I will just copy my Litecoin wallet address from FaucetPay. So let's do this, guys. Let's complete one shortlink. I believe most of you know how to do this, but I will explain it to you once more. So first, if you have an ad block, you need to disable your ad block. That's the first thing to do. And then we will get some pop-up ads. Feel free to close all of them, and then we click continue. Once more we will get one pop-up ad. You can click on the screen and close it. We complete this captcha and click I am not a robot. Then we wait these 6 seconds. We can click once more on the screen. Okay, we actually need to do this one more time. So we click I am not a robot, and then we wait these 6 seconds. After that we just click get link. And that's it. And we have completed the short link. Once we have done that, we paste our Litecoin address here, complete one easy captcha, and click get reward. So the payment is instant, there's no minimum withdrawals, really nice. Here's the payment proof, my dear crypto people. Clickers.cc, 1,877 easy free satoshis to your FaucetPay account. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Make sure to check out my other videos if you like earning free crypto, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.